strip of sand, a fuzzy little traveler, far away from land. He didn't fall to settle down or take a lazy nap. He hit the ground with rhythm, a steady pitter-patter tap. The tide is coming in, the stars are burning bright. Get ready for the coconut to take a bite of the light. Oh, see the dancing coconut spinning on the shore, shaking off the salty spray and calling out for more. With a hula in his fiber and a rumba in his shell, he's the king of tropical swing. Can't you tell? Rolling to the left, wobbling to the right. The dancing coconut is owning the night. The palm trees are his backup band, whistling in the breeze. The crabs are playing castanets down among the knees. He's a hairy little dervish, a brown and heavy blur, making all the pineapples wish that they were him. Slosh, slosh, let it move. Milk is sloshing deep inside a rhythmic maraca sound, keeping time with every bounce upon the chorus.